Hello everyone. Today we are going to start general science for UPSC EPFO examination based on the demand of our students. Welcome back to our crash course. Today we are diving deep into the core language of science, the topic that forms the foundation of all physics and chemistry. That is only the only one, physical quantities and units. Think about it. If you go to a shop and say, "Give me some sugar," the shopkeeper won't understand. You need a specific amount. You must say, "Give me 1 kilogram of sugar." That one, the number, and the kilogram, the unit, together define a physical quantity. Simply put, a physical quantity is anything that can be measured and expressed as a magnitude, means number, and a unit. For example, length, mass, and temperature. Now we will talk about fundamental quantities. So, in the world of measurement, there are some quantities that are the absolute kings. They are completely independent and cannot be broken down or expressed using any other quantity. These are fundamental in nature, these are basic. That's why they are known as rulers of measurement. Just like the primary colors red, blue, yellow make up every other color, these 7 SI basic units makes up every other physical quantity. These 7 physical quantities are on your screen. The quantity length has SI unit meter with symbol m, and the role of length is define how far, and the quantity mass, whose SI unit is kilogram and symbol is kg, its role is defining how much matter are present. Next quantity is time. Its SI unit is second and its symbol represented by small s, and the role of time is defining duration. Next important physical quantity or fundamental physical quantity is electric current, whose unit is ampere and symbol is capital A, and its role is defining the flow of charge. And next quantity is temperature, whose SI unit is Kelvin. I hope you all know the symbol of Kelvin is K, and temperature define the degree of hotness. Next quantity is amount of substance, whose SI unit is mole but symbol is mole. Here you will find that in symbol mole is MOL, E is silent, is not there. So mole, small symbol, amount of substance, symbol represented by mole in small letter basically, and it defines the count of particle. Talking about next last fundamental physical quantity, luminous intensity, whose SI unit is candela and represented by CD. It defines the brightness of light. So these are the 7 wonders of SI. Memorize them as they are base units for everything else. Now, most quantity we deal with are the result of combining these fundamental ones. These are derived quantity. They are dependent, formed by the multiplying or dividing two or more fundamental quantities. They work like a team. Like teamwork makes the dream work. That is the derived quantity. And their units are called derived units, and they are also combination of base unit, combination of fundamental units. Let's look at some important example that appear frequently in exams, like speed, whose formula is distance upon time. Since distance is a type of length, so unit will be meter per second. Talking about the force, the formula is mass into acceleration, so unit will be kg into meter per second square. But since this combination is so long, that's why scientists give it a special name called Newton, represented by capital N. Now talk about the pressure, whose formula is force upon area. So unit will be Newton per meter square. This is obviously called as Pascal and represented by PA, capital P, small a. See the connection. Even complex units like Newton and Pascal ultimately rely on the simple fundamental units like kg meter second. Once you know the basics, the entire structure makes sense. This is the beautiful connected story of measurement. Hope you liked it. Mm, If you have liked it, please hit like button. Please subscribe and if possible share. Let's meet in the next video with another topic with more interesting explanation like an entertainment. देन चलते हैं दोस्त, बाय बाय।